All right, guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Active Trader with options on ThinkorSwim. This thing is a damn cheat code. It almost makes it like a video game. You can quickly buy and sell things instantaneously. So in today's video, let me show you quickly how to set that up on your ThinkorSwim platform. But first of all, we're going to come up to the top right corner here and hit on demand. And second of all, hit that like, boy, and hit that subscribe. Now, on demand is just a virtual trading feature on ThinkorSwim. This is very powerful. You can use this a lot for back testing and just trying out your strategies. So you can go back in time as far as like a year and you can back test throughout the day in a live trading environment. Now my computer's going a little slow here, but anyways, what you're going to do, you're going to come over to the right here and you're going to click on Active Trader, this tab on the right side here. Now here's the configuration I have set up. Now when you're using Active Trader, you need to be very careful with this button here, but this allows it to be a video game. This auto send button here, have that checked. Now again, be very careful with this because when you have auto send on, it's not going to pop up a notification and say, hey, are you sure you want to take this trade? Are you sure you want to buy this much, sell this much? You need to be very careful. Just make sure this quantity box is kept in check while you have auto send turned on here. Now here currently are my personal settings for this Active Trader button. Again, I don't have everything here that's normally by default, all these buttons and whatnot. So here's exactly what I have if you're looking to copy it. And again, this is so slick because you can go over here, you can literally click on the price and buy the stock. And look how this line moves up and down with the price as I move up and down the bid and ask columns over here. So let's run an example of this just so you can see this feature quick, and then I'll show you how to do it with options. So I'm moving up and down. Let's say I want to buy the price right now, instant buy. And look, it's waiting to hit because right now I have a limit order out. Boom, trade executed, virtual bot 2x spy. And then if I want to sell, again, I can pick anywhere up on this line here and sell up here. So this allows you to kind of snipe your orders. And the cool thing about this too is, let's put an order way out here that's outrageous. Come down here. What I can do is actually drag this around and it will change the order instantaneously. This thing is money, guys. I'm telling you, this is it. This is how you become very quick and good at trading. Now other trading platforms offer this as well, but this is my personal favorite. Let me show you how to do this with options, guys. This is a sleeper. So you're gonna come over here to the trade tab like you were gonna buy an option any other day of the week, and you come down and select your options contract. Now right now my screen is configured like this. I actually tried to find an option where I can use Active Trader on the options screen here. If you guys know any other suggestions, let me know down below in those comments. I think I've seen other YouTubers do it. So come down here and grab an option like you normally would, but here is the secret, baby. You're gonna right click on that option and you're gonna go down to copy. So if I want to buy, in this example, I want SPY calls at 364 strike, 209 to 207 bid as spread. Right click, go to copy, right? I want to buy calls, right click that, copy. That is your secret code. This copy right here, this description, this is pretty much the individual chart for that option, okay? So watch what I do next. I'm gonna come back to the chart over here and I'm actually going to copy and paste that into here. Press enter, right? Like I was entering any other stock, and boom. Now you have the charts for that options contract. This allows me to instantaneously actively trade these options contracts. So like I showed you before, I'm going to come in here. Let's say I want to buy 10 of these exact contracts. Again, you can just hit the market buy button if you would like, if that's easier for you. Hit market buy, boom, bought those 10. Hit market sell, boom, sold those 10. You guys see how quick this is? And again, if you want to snipe it more or less, if you want to capture it at that exact price point you want, you'd rather set a limit order, again, you can come over here and highlight the green or red regions for the bid and ask and allow you to buy it. And I like to expand them too, just so these buttons are a little bit bigger for me when I'm in the middle of the trading day. And gang, hopefully you found this useful. Hit that like and subscribe, and be sure to check out that link down below in my description for my free Discord. Gang, I'll catch you in the next video.